Hey, it was a nice experience dealing with this company here today. I had a good deal today. They give me a good deal, so we're leaving happy.
We're happy.
Give Carlos a raise.